The North Coast 500 brought us to Abbeybourne.
Hello, darling.
It's time to make some toast.
Sam, would you want to FaceTime him?
To look at Dunrobin Castle. Crokey. Oh! Check.
The dark.
Morning. Hi. What's your name?
Big step.
Huge waves.
This is a paradise.
Yeah, this is a great find, Nicola. Good stop for the night. Oh, aye, there's a spar.
I want to see if you can use an air fryer in the van. Good things. So this evening we're going to have a spring roll.
So Lochinver, we're here, very excited. We're going to try the Lochinver pies. They are famous, award-winning, nationally award-winning. Let's go, let's do this. I'm going for venison and cranberry. The weight of this thing. Oh, pastry is stunning. That's been slow cooked, that venison.
Go the arch.
The arch.
And gin. Lovely.
Scallops with rice.
Wow.
And that is the fish wrap. Well.
There's all of my food.
So that's us just left Ullapool, day 4 on the North Coast 500.
We're noticing the landscape's changed again, so we're back to a bit more green and trees.
And the NC500 gives you views like this. You might see dolphins here, it says.
Go to the river.
To go to Cafe 82. So Nicola,
How good does that look?
that looks like pudding.
Do you want to take a picture?